Hi everyone, today we're exploring the Prior Fitness 20 Yards Aerial Yoga Silk Starter Kit, perfect for all skill levels. Made from premium 40D nylon fabric, it's strong, stretchy, and can hold up to 900 kilograms safely. The kit includes 20 yards of colorful aerial silk, durable hardware like carabiners, a figure 8 descender, a swivel, and daisy chains for secure setup. Every piece is safety tested and CE certified, ensuring top-notch reliability during your practice. Whether you're practicing indoors or outdoors, installation is simple with clear instructions included. This hammock set is perfect for aerial yoga, acrobatic flying, and overall body strength and flexibility training. Plus, their excellent customer service is ready to help with any questions you might have. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.